Here's a small deal of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules in millimetres. Materials wetted. The white you can see there is a reflection of the lights. That's probably should be the top. It's a vertical piece at the bottom. Oh, look at that. Never noticed that before, but it's a single piece being broken. Like that. You could use that and make a pair of earrings. It's a natural split and it's as shiny as you're going to get it, I think. Not too much crazing, but it looks quite good. I hope you've enjoyed looking at that. Cheers.